In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 10-period exponential moving average, or EMA, to your TradingView charts. This is a simple yet essential tool that traders use to identify trends and potential reversal points in the market. Let's dive right in and get your chart set up. First things first, make sure you have your chart open in TradingView. This is your canvas, the place where you'll visualize all your market data, so you definitely want to be starting here. Once your chart is up, we're going to need to make use of the Indicators menu. You'll find this on the top toolbar, conveniently accessible with just a click. Alternatively, if you prefer to use keyboard shortcuts, you can press the / key to open it up. Now, once you have the Indicators menu before you, type in Exponential Moving Average into the search bar. You'll notice a list of options popping up, but what you want is the built-in version. Selecting this will promptly introduce an EMA line onto your chart. However, by default, this may not be exactly what we're looking for today. You might see something like an EMA 9 or an EMA 20 appear. The next step is to cater this to your specific needs. In this case, adjusting it to a 10-period EMA, which is particularly popular with traders for short-term market analysis. Look for the EMA's name, which you'll find in the chart legend sitting just below the symbols. It will typically have a name like EMA 9 printed there. What you need to do next is locate the little gear icon, the settings icon, right next to it. Go ahead and give that a click to open up the settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, pay attention to the inputs section. This is where you can fine-tune the specifics of your EMA. You'll see an option labeled Length, currently set to 9 or 20 by default, depending on what initially showed up. Change this number to 10. Make sure you keep the source option set to Close, as this is the standard and most common setting used by traders to calculate EMAs. If you're someone who likes a bit more personalization, you might want to take this time to adjust the style settings, which is entirely optional, but can be really helpful if you want your chart to be more visually intuitive. Maybe you'd like to change the color to something more distinct, or adjust the line width for better visibility. Feel free to play around with these settings until everything looks just right to your personal taste. Once you're all set and satisfied with those adjustments, click OK, and voila! Your 10-period EMA is now active on your chart. And that's it! You've successfully added a 10-period EMA to your TradingView chart. Remember, this tool is just one of many that can help enhance your trading strategy by providing insights into market trends. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy trading!